Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Clark, Greene, southeastern Montgomery, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and winds to 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Centerville, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Bellbrook, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Wilberforce, Cedarville, Jamestown. In addition, Greene County Airport, Trebayne, Old Town, New Jasper, John Bryan State Park, Clifton, Bell Center, and Gladstone are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. As storms approach, seek shelter in sturdy buildings and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/on and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.